I'm gonna miss this view. I will say that. Cool view. Doing something a little bit different. Okay, what is up, guys? So, yeah, it's official. I can finally say it now. We are inside of the new house. The new house, after months and months and months of looking, searching, putting offers in, going crazy. We're finally inside of our new place. Yeah. So that's what's been going on in this last couple of weeks. Reason why I haven't been uploading, reason why I've been kind of busy doing that type of stuff, because we've been literally going back and forth to the store, back and forth, just doing a whole bunch of stuff. So I probably won't give you guys the full tour right now because we're still in the process of changing things, moving things, and like there's furniture literally all inside of the main living room. You see like the den behind me, it's basically empty. So we have, we got some things that we're still doing to the house. But the good, like the great things, I will show you a couple things. The first thing is, as you guys probably saw, the driveway. Have a driveway again, really excited about that. And we have a full garage, a 2-car garage, which I filmed a vlog. That vlog should be going up next, which in that vlog, it kind of shows more of the houses and stuff like that. That was like a quick vlog I just did. So you'll see like we're just cleaning out the garage. The plan for the garage is to like really like turn that into like an actual like nice place to work on the cars and do stuff like that. So that's the plan with that. I'm gonna plan on cleaning out the floor and then epoxying the floor, getting like nice shelves, getting nice lighting in there, and like actually making that like a real cool place to do stuff. Yeah, so we're inside the new house, and as you can see behind me though too, we have the nice backyard. It was actually, I'll probably show you guys that section. And this is our outdoor area, which I'm really happy about. This, we have some space, finally. Out of all the houses we looked at, this isn't the biggest backyard, for sure, but I think we can do a lot of stuff back here. We had to do a lot of cleaning and stuff like that, so we basically just cleaned up the entire backyard. Make sure it's safe for the dogs and everything like that. I think it's really, I mean, it's fine. It's big enough. We can really just like chill out, relax, barbecue back here. So I think this is pretty cool. And it stretches on that side of the house as well. There's like dirt all on this other side of the house, and on this side of the house, it just leads to the path to the front. So overall though, I think it's a pretty cool like chill out area. We can hang out, barbecue. Plan on getting a jacuzzi actually pretty soon. We're back here, and a fire pit. I think that would be really cool. I'll give you guys a quick little small tour. This is like the main den area, as you can see. Main den. We have Wild Legion running through. Main den area. Probably going to be the hangout spot. That's where we think we're going to make this a living room, or not really living room. I don't know where we're going to make this, but the den area. We have up here, which was another bedroom. This was a third bedroom, but the wall was taken out and they turned this into like a bar, which I don't know what we're gonna do with this. I think we're gonna take this out. Right now we're just putting all the cleaning supplies up here as we just been going through the house, just cleaning and everything like that. Yeah, it's like a full wet bar. Don't really know what we're gonna really do with all of that. I don't know. I think we're gonna take this out and then eventually wall this back in and turn this into the master, because through this door right here, so we have the bathroom. This is just a nice, simple bathroom. Nothing too crazy about it. The blue is fine, I think, for now. I know we are literally in the process. We just bought all new paint for literally like almost every single wall. We're gonna probably paint this one too. I don't know. I feel like out of all the rooms, this is the one that's like not terrible. Like this blue, I think is fine. Then as we go through this door, which is actually really cool, I'm turning this. This was a full like walk-in closet. This is probably like a, I don't know how, probably like almost like a 9x8, like little room. Then I'm turning this into my little workshop area. I have the soundproof pads and stuff like that. Getting a new carpet for in here that should be coming, a pegboard for my desk, a chair, so I can just do editing, I could work in here. This is like the area that I'm gonna probably work. So I feel like it'll be better, so it's kind of isolated away from everything else. Even though it's kind of weird because it's coming off of this bathroom, but I think this was the master and like this was all connected. So this was like it was all connected to like the master bedroom. So this is kind of like the area that I'm gonna be doing. So you're gonna be seeing probably a lot of videos of me filming in this area, which I think is kind of cool. Okay, so coming back from out of this room, going in here, this is like technically, I think the like formal kitchen where they had the table and everything was like in this like little area right here, which is right next to the door to lead out to the backyard. So it was pretty like chill, like actually you could put like a kitchen table here or whatever you want to do. So you can see from there, the back half of the fireplace. Going this way, you can see the actual kitchen itself. It's a decent sized kitchen. So this is like a decent sized kitchen. I think some aspects of it we do like a lot, like this. I mean, I actually really like it. It has this, well, I guess it's like a floating island, I would say. It's like attached to the wall. I think that's cool. Things we don't like, which we are changing literally today. We are gonna be refinishing the cabinets. They have like this distressed look to them. I think it just makes it look old. I don't know. We're like gonna repaint them. That's what we just went to the store to go get stuff like that, to do that. But I think overall though, the kitchen though, it's pretty nice. This area in here, we took out there was some cabinets up there. We took all that stuff out. We're gonna be repainting in here as well. This is where like the fridge and the washer dryer goes. Nothing too crazy there. The cool features, this house has pocket doors, which that's really cool for the dog. So we can like have them sectioned off in like certain places. We can always have them sectioned off. So going through there, the door, you have the dining room, living room area. So they had like a giant dining room table there. There was like, I don't even know. As you can see, but all of our stuff is just in here for right now. It was like a giant dining room table over there. They did have a couch set over here. And this is the other side of the fireplace right there. So this is like a fairly big room itself. This might be our actual living room, and that's just gonna be like its own separate like den through there. So really big space inside here as well. Then let's go to the other rooms and the other bathroom. Very cool. So living room, dining room area, cut through here, which you go into like this hallway, which you can look through here. That's where the den, the bar was. Here you have the other bedrooms and the other bathroom. We have another bathroom through here. It's nothing too crazy, it's just a bathroom. Nothing too fancy, just like a nice sized bathroom. Through this door, you have our actual bedroom, which is just gonna be our bedroom. We are in the process of cleaning that and just like getting that all fixed up. And then through here is gonna be the guest bedroom, which for right now, it's housing, there's a lot of storage, but it also has this super massive closet in here. We were gonna take this as the master because it has this like glass, massive closet, but this one's actually smaller than the other room. This is still like a big size room though, but I think we're gonna take the other room as the master. And I told Angela, yeah, she can take that giant closet. I don't really care. I'll take the smaller one that's inside the bedroom. Doesn't really matter to me.